Wala pa kami tulog. And now we're going to... Saan nga tayo mapunta, Dad?
Balinaw.
Ayun sa Balinaw. Na kami sa NLEX. Waiting for my sister. Hi, ate! Hi, baby! We're here to Jollibee. Bumili ng Jollibee. What's that?
May Snorlax eh.
She wants Snorlax. Blue! Blue mo. Ah, blue! Ooh!
Ay, tap.
Pokemon!
May kumontra.
Grabe, lakas ng ulan. Lakas ng ulan, oh my God. Second stop. Ate Ma.
Say hi, say hi.
Hello.
You want mag-red?
Okay, it's lunchtime.
No.
Here in Chowking. We're in Tarlac. Di ba nasa Tarlac ko tayo? Tarlac ba? Tarlac. Tarlac. We're here in the post station. Pagpagastan nila ito. Ito na talaga. Max and Resort. There you go. We're here. We are welcome to... This is our home for 3 days and 2 nights. It's my dad! Hi! Kaso naka-denim jacket. Our first night, so 5 PM na kami nakarating. Kaya ito na yung naabutan namin. So beautiful. 8-hour drive, no sleep, but over here. Buhangin lang masaya na. Kids. What? Oh, where's your legs? It's missing already. Oh no! You don't have legs, but I can see your... What's that?
What? What?
Your knees.
Eyes?
Head. Maurice! Hi, baby! Oh, she's trying to help you. Ate, no, baka yung eyes ni Maurice, ate, ha? Matamaan. Maurice, nasaan na yung fit ni ate? Oh, no! Uh-oh. Where's ate's feet?
Stop it, Pauline.
It's dinner time.
Alas 5 kayo ito mag-answer.
Seaweed,
Sa ano? Lunes din,
sinigang,
Lunes.
rice, and watermelon.
Sige, ano, kita na lang tayo sa Lunes.
Eating
Abot ko na
time.
yung... Lana daw.
I would do the other.
Playing time. Okay.
Sino na kanina?
Hey, Dad. Morning, guys. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Yan na yung sunrise. We're going to the beach.
Kumakain, ayaw ko yung may matamis. Parang siuman lang po siya, ma'am.
Magkano siya ganito?
50 po isa.
Tikman na natin.
Go.
Tikman mo si Ken. Wait, tikman natin.
Abangan namin ang sunrise. Super low tide. So kapag grabe, parang may harang doon. Pero pag hindi low tide, until dito yung water. Ang daming starfish, guys. Ayan. Big waves. Breakfast time.
Busog.
Yay! Let's eat. Let's eat. Hello! Maurice Ray! Baby! Hi! Hi, Ate Mac! White sand.
Nahirapan siya yung taas.
Hi! Ate Max!
Yeah.
Ganda rin ng sand dito kasi it's white sand. Siyempre, aura lang ako dito. Aura lang naman ako dito.
Sa may gitna.
Tumaas. Hi, little kiddo!
Bigyan mo ng toy.
Here, Olaf, come here. Here's your toy, oh. Oh, there's a toy. Oh no. Like this, oh. Here. Oh. Like this. Mm.
Kuya Wel, gusto mo ng scramble na tomboy yung maghalo?
I-reset mo?
Sinasabi mo, huy?
Sa TikTok yun.
I-reset niya daw yung tombo.
Sira.
Nasa kanya.
Whoa. What's that?
Is it stuck?
It's like a spider.
Bruh. Why? How dare
Bigyan
you?
mo daw kay mama kasi baka daw mamatay. Alagaan niya.
Bye, bye.
Hmm?
I wanna look for an octopus.
It's a starfish.
What's this?
It's not a starfish. It's just a ano.
Yeah.
Dead leaf.
I'm scared.
You scared?
I'm
It's not scary at all.
Ooh,
Go to the baby girl.
Tayo nung galing eh.
Hello!
Paano yung nakawan?
Hello!
Nakawan gagayahin. Ayun, nabakawan no.
Dad.
Your hand.
Hey! Ay, it's a ano? Hermit crab. Wow! Hey, little girlie! That is...
Ang tawag dito,
Hello, cute.
yung ano, ba't tayo dun no?
Cute.
Daming tao. Pwede ba?
Cute! Little girlie! Di na makausap yung little girlie, oh. Di na namamansin.
Bawal maganda.
Di na namamansin.
Asa na maganda?
Maurice!
Ika lang natin.
Let's go to the mini swimming pool. Mini swimming pool yan dati. Ala! Ah!
Crab.
Sobrang ano. Wow!
Hindi ko matatakot din si Maxine sa playground.
Ay, nako.
Natakotin.
Daddy!
Daddy, laki ng boses. Daddy!
Para siyang plastic ko, tignan mo.
Oh. Seaweed.
Na.
Coral.
Coral ba yan? Okay, we're going to the cave now. Right, Maurice? Right? No. Tired na siya. We're here in Enchanted Cave. Makapasok ko doon. Ay, taray na na. Okay. Oh, yeah. May video dito, so maganda yung video. Yeah, coral, rocks, limestone. Ma, let's go. Yan, we're going to adult pool. Mag-rest muna while waiting. Ayaw nga magpahawak niyan, ma. Ayaw magpahawak.
Go. Mamaya, bagsak yan. Holding hands tayo.
Good job.
Holding hands tayo, boy. Tapos palutang.
Ate Mac! Ate Mac! Chin Chin! Hello!
Mami, oh. Mami, oh.
Maurice!
Ito, mami, oh. Ayun, oh.
Baby! Hello!
Mommy, look! I don't have feet.
Wow! Abot mo yan, ate? Yan pala, pwede may pambata pala eh.
Ayaw naman magpahawak.
Kaya nga. Yeah, we're going to the cave now.
Happy ka. Wow.
I'll go out there. Yeah, that's the way to cave.
Ay.
Here.
I forgot.
Galing ni ate mo. So strong.
Here.
You have a lot of energy. Do you?
Yeah. Yeah. Look.
Right.
Looks like
It's
a
a rock.
rock. Is that a big rock?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't look like rock. Looks like a
Grabe yun.
No, a garden. Mommy,
Nila ka.
grow a garden.
Here, grow a garden.
That's his garden, so that means
Interesting.
grow
Here,
a garden.
So,
Okay. Hello.
Yung mahaba po.
you can show them.
Oh, we're going to the cave. Hello.
Hindi na siya mag-helmet?
Hindi naman niya abot yung ano.
Ah, okay.
Pipitin niyo na lang dito.
Gano'n po ba taas ang ceiling? Gano'n po kataas ang ceiling?
Kuya, pwesto na. Picture.
Dito, pababa oh.
Ayun, oh.
Hindi kita yun dyan.
Ayan.
Sa may...
Okay.
Sige, saka ako sa pinakamataan, ano, bababa kasi. Matangkad.
What about your phone?
No.
We're going to take a picture.
Oh yeah, I forgot. So scary. Oh my god.
Wow. We're
So
gonna...
ayun guys, punta na kami ng
Looks like we're at like... It looks like the bat from the cave.
Adin, hanapin mo si Batman.
No.
So.
Hello.
Let's go, ate. Hindi kasama sila daddy at Maurice kasi bawal. 2 years old. And below. Okay, you go first.
Grabe yung tapakan
I'm
sa mga.
scared.
Okay, yeah, just hold lang po, ate Max. Just hold.
Potion, loading. Kaya pag tayo nakalimit.
Okay. It's fine. Just hold.
Where's the bat?
Wala ba? Do not look for a bat.
I want to look for some. Please.
Ang dilim pala.
What?
Dapat na dati manuwa. Very swell. Yung mga swimming, pwede na pa kayo mag-swimming ha. Tagalin na po natin yung helmet.
Kasi Ate Max. Diba?
Mommy! Is it
May oras
very...
nga lang eh. May oras.
Mommy!
Ikot na lang.
Hindi dyan lang.
Mommy!
Oh.
Is it very deep?
Yes. You have your life vest, right? It's not super deep. It's not super deep. Oh, it's deep.
Fix mo yung sa kanya.
Yeah, it's deep, but you have your life vest. That means you're safe.
I'm not safe.
Huwag po tayong tatalo na kasi bato yung babagsakan.
Okay, do not jump.
Why? Why?
Because there's a lot of rocks.
Scared of bat.
There's no bat. Look how there it is. There's no bat. I said there's a rock. Do not jump because there's a rock.
How dare you?
I didn't say there's a bat here.
But, so what's that sound earlier? So, Mommy, what happened if
Ah,
we're...
pwede pala pumunta doon. Ganda.
Mommy, what happened if... Mommy, what happened if we're going for and for... Mommy, wait.
Come on. Where are you going? Ah, okay.
Dito tayo.
I'm scared.
Mommy is here, right? Mommy knows how to swim.
Maganda po, huwag po ikampay ng madalas po yung...
Okay, si Mommy first. Okay, come on. Sama pa hawak sa nito. Ah, come on. Naligyan mo lang. Ah,
Sige, go to mommy. Sige, go to mommy. Oh. Promise, I'm here.
See? Baba ko na ito.
Sige. I'm here. Oh.
And then, look at my feet.
Oh. Oh. You have a salvavide.
Buhat ka ni Mami. Okay. Okay. Try to ano sa Mami. Try to dito sa Mami.
Oh, sige, I'm here.
See?
Oh.
So scary.
Ate, so brave. We're in the cave.
I'm a little bit scared.
Halika. Let's go over there. Ayun yung mga kapatid ko. Ano, tagal ka dyan? I know what you are trying to do.
Magdala mo naman.
May night mode din kasi yan eh. Yun nga.
Ano ba video? Video po. Paano pa ito ang pintabang ko? Ano mangyari pa?
Natanggal yung ilalim ko.
Natanggal?
Hindi ako pwedeng walang life vest kung kasama ko si Maxine. I cannot carry her. Aray! Kanina pa yung tuhod ko talaga. Ang sakit.
Why everyone is scared?
Your learn how to swim.
Ano yun?
Yung balikat na.
Hindi ko nabot pala yun. Okay, Basi Max, how's your experience sa cave?
Scared.
Is it scary?
Yes,
Why?
because I'm scared of the deep one, but I'm not scared of the beach.
Okay. But did you have fun?
No,
No,
because it's too scary there.
it's not even scary. But yeah, you're still a kid. Maybe next time we can try again, right?
No.
No? Yes. But it's fun.
Oh, fine.
With Maurice.
No.
Grabe. So hingal. Okay na din ako. Hindi ko madami makakain. Ha? Sa lunch. So tired. Pero I like diving. Who's that? Baby Maurice. Yeah, it's baby Maurice. Do you love mom?
Cellphone ko, wala yung
And I love Maurice too. I love you. I love you. Video na to, no?
Video yan. Out of play yan.
Yummy.
Uh-oh, where's Atta's body and feet? Oh no! Oh no, Maurice! What happened to Atta's body?
Can you stand up?
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! Swimming naman sa pool. Ayun na yung mga mag-aama. Call daddy, daddy. Go, dad. Maurice. Hey. There's daddy. Here's daddy over here. Daddy here. Here's daddy. 1, 2, 3.
Christian class. I have a Christian class.
Magsa-sunset na. Yung dalawa gusto pa rin maglaro ng sun, so I just let them play. Such a nice view. In Mama. 5:52 in the afternoon and high tide. Medyo pa high tide na at grabe. Lakas ng current dito. Big waves. Kaya hindi nga sila pwede maligo dito. Hanggang dito lang kami. Super ganda. White sand din. Pero syempre hindi siya kasing fine ng sa Boracay. But still nice. I hope they have water activities like scuba diving.